Xin chào các bạn, mình là Thế Quang, mình là giáo viên đến từ The IELTS Workshop. Và trong tập Speaking Example ngày hôm nay, mình sẽ đem đến cho các bạn các câu trả lời mẫu cực hay về chủ đề Technology. Trong Speaking Part 3 thì các bạn sẽ cần có một câu trả lời dài hơn Speaking Part 1. Tuy nhiên là chúng ta sẽ không muốn nói quá là dài, quá là lê thê, tại vì cái việc mà mình nói quá dài sẽ dẫn đến việc thiếu ý tưởng. Và từ đó thì sẽ bị trừ rất là nhiều điểm trong phần fluency và coherence. Đầu tiên sẽ là câu trả lời cho câu hỏi số 1. Technology appears everywhere. For example, we use our phone every day. And within that small device, we have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, and tons of other cool stuff. ChatGPT is one of the latest pieces of technology nowadays, and I think you guys should try it out. I believe that most companies do this simply because they want to sell more. That is a part of consumerism. They want to boost their sales as much as possible. So they will launch a new line of products every week or every year so that people will have this belief that their old products are now obsolete, although they obviously are still functioning perfectly well. Well, it's the same thing like I just said, consumerism. For example, Apple just launched the brand new iPhone 14, and if a person who is like a fan of Apple, I mean, although the iPhone 12 is still functioning well, they will feel as if they were, falling behind because they're not following the trend, right? And another reason is that people just simply want to experience the latest feature on the latest device. I would say that the dynamic island feature on iPhone 14 is a unique feature that every Apple fan want to experience. And last but not least, they buy the latest phone because they can afford it. I reckon that new products are being constantly upgraded because that is a must in this competitive market. Take Nokia as an example. They refused to renew themselves and their products in the past, and now that whole empire is just a thing of the past. So I believe that if companies can really upgrade, renew, and add some new features to their products, that is their competitive edge in this market. Many things have changed, both positively and negatively. As I can find and buy anything online nowadays, I can have access to a wide range of products at different price points, and I can do comparisons shopping as well, so I can get the best deal. However, there are downsides when it comes to technology. ChatGPT, which is like the latest piece of technology nowadays, is an example. Many students are now using it to write their essays. So basically, they just put the question in and the AI will finish the whole essay for them. So I think that students are becoming too dependent on this ChatGPT AI. So everything is just like a brainless copy and paste. Definitely, as technology evolves, students nowadays can basically find all kinds of materials they need to online. Let's say if you want to study IELTS, you can find videos, slides, and even recorded lessons online for free. But the downsides of this is that you need to be aware of the source where you get the materials from. I would recommend a British Council, IDP, or the IELTS Workshop. Alright, và vừa rồi là tất cả các câu trả lời mẫu của mình cho phần 3 trong chủ đề Technology. Mong là các bạn sẽ rút ra được rất là nhiều những cái từ vựng cũng như là các cái kỹ thuật trả lời trong cái phần 3 này để áp dụng vào cái bài thi của mình. Okay. Mình là Thế Quang, giáo viên đến từ The IELTS Workshop. Bye guys!